This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 RB is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features a Heartbreaker, Moondancer, tattoo blue interior, sleep 7, Slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features Bunk Over Cab, Loft, outdoor entertainment. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 RB. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.